From Fox 56 News, the Weather Authority, this is a severe weather alert.
All right, good afternoon. Chief Meteorologist Justin Logan here with you. Another update on the strong winds and heavy rain that we have moving across the state right now. First, I want to show you a couple of pictures that we had sent in from you. This was from Matthew here in Lexington. I'm going to make the picture larger in a second. First, though, I want to read the description. A large tree limb down before the intersection of Powhatan and Chinook Trail in Indian Hills subdivision. This is in Frankfort. So if I move this around, you can actually see, look at the large tree at the intersection right there. Look at that, just snapped off, broken almost really kind of at the base, not totally uprooted, but over a roadway. This is a similar scene, not just here in Frankfort, but in a large part of our coverage area. Thank you, Matthew, for that. Another video from earlier, that's from Josh. As we look here from Leah Brockman, this was wind in Richmond. And you can see on the video as we play this for you, so it's going to be maybe kind of hard to see, but you can see on the trees here earlier how the winds were really beginning to whip across the state. We told you all week long that we would have the potential with Helene working into Kentucky for some damaging winds. This was winds increasing in London earlier, and this video was from Johnny Nicholson down there. Winds, again, in southern Kentucky have not been as strong as what we've had here in central Kentucky. So this afternoon, look at that. You can see the gusts picking up. If you have any pictures or video, send them over to me, Justin Logan at Fox 56. You just search for that on Twitter or over on Facebook, and I'll show your picture. Let's go on, though, show you our home view. This is what it looks like currently outside in Lexington. You'll notice visibility is still greatly reduced. That's because of the very heavy rain that's moving through. Plus, the wind is driving that rain at an angle, and that reduces visibility even more. Look at the trees whipping in the wind here. This is in front of the Bourbon County Middle School over in Paris. Roads definitely still wet. Still raining, but not as heavy in Somerset. Richmond still looking very wet also. Now, I want to talk about the power outages that we have across the state currently. This is in Kentucky, all right, county by county. Fayette County, 32,000 customers. So that's not individual people, that's customers alone that are without power. 6,000 in Madison County. Jessamine County is also over 5,000 customers without power. Rowan County, 4,500. Montgomery County, 3,500. Franklin County, 1,500. Somerset and also Pulaski County there at 1,000. You look off to the west, the winds haven't been as strong there. And that's why we've only got 3,000 customers in Jefferson County. Now, we widen out the view because I want to show you where Helene's been. And as it continues to work north, look how it's impacting power out there. For the entire state of Kentucky, 160,000 customers out, okay? Looking over into Virginia, 190,000. In South Carolina, over 1 million customers. Atlanta, well, really Georgia, I should say, is just under 1 million, and Florida is back down at 910,000. So that's an improvement because earlier this morning, both Georgia and Florida we're seeing customers north of 1 million out. What are the winds doing right now? Well, this is the Mesonet network, and obviously there are a lot more of these weather stations situated across Kentucky thanks to our partners at the Kentucky Mesonet, which is at Western Kentucky University. Winds gusting right now, 51 in Winchester, 48 Carlisle. Looking off to the east, Louisa has a gust currently of 37, but the strongest that I'm seeing here of all these weather stations is over in Winchester. But look to the south here as we're starting to see Helene work into Kentucky. Winds around that center and under it are much weaker. That will be lifting north and west as we go through the afternoon, meaning it takes the strongest winds north with it. These are the peak wind gusts at the main reporting station. So at the Bluegrass Airport, earlier, about an hour ago, we had a 62 mile per hour gust. 51 has been the strongest over there at the airport in Mount Sterling, 54 in Flemingsburg. So when you get 58 or stronger, you are talking severe thunderstorm wind gusts, all right? That's 58 or stronger. So gusts in the low 60s, we're talking severe thunderstorm wind gusts from Helene, and this is still categorized as a tropical storm. Last update at 11 a.m. was putting it in Tennessee. It's now crossing into Kentucky. We have a high wind warning until 8 p.m. tonight for all of our viewing area. Let me step you through the remainder of the day. Watch these winds get weaker as we go into the late afternoon, but really this evening. So if you have plans, maybe you want to go to dinner, you're going to go to a movie, or maybe you're going to some high school football games that have not been postponed for tonight. Gusts by 7:30, 8:30 time frame should be down between about 30 and 40. So that's not nearly as strong, but it is still breezy. Winds get weaker overnight, still breezy tomorrow. But let's talk quickly about the rain and where the back edge of the heaviest rain is for you. Still raining pretty heavily as we work our way here along I-64 and north. We go from Frankfort, some moderate rain, but it's picking up with some wind-driven rain through most of Harrison, most of Bourbon. Look over here into Nicholas County, right through Carlisle. That goes over into Fleming County, back down to the south in Owensville and Bath County and Mount Sterling. Boy, is that rain really coming down. As we reset, though, looking in eastern Kentucky, still some heavy rain down here, too. That's working its way through Magoffin County, over into Johnson County. This is all going again south to north. So if I move on and show you the radar loop and widen it out, here is Helene, still categorized as a tropical storm. Winds at the center of circulation were seen still in the lower 40-mile-per-hour range. Once that keeps going north, look what's south here. A lot of dry weather. So we've got a few more hours to go with the rain, and then as we head into later on this evening, expecting definitely some improvements. Let me go back to the live radar, because what I want to do really quickly before we go back to break, I want to show you our future radar, and this is actually going to show what's happening in the next few hours. Well, there's our 7-day forecast, and then we'll reset and just go to the radar. We will get rid of the heaviest rain in the next few hours. Home team Friday nights, if the games are not canceled, we are going to be watching some improvements, and then next week the humidity does start to drop back down. So again, we're going to be watching the showers and thunderstorms. We'll have another update coming at the top of the hour for you, but if you have any pictures, we'd love to see them. Just submit them over. Just look for Justin Logan Fox 56 Weather on Facebook and Twitter. But for now, we're going to send it back to programming, and we'll be back in an hour.